Welcome to iMotorsports, your premier power sports dealership with nationwide free delivery. I'm Chase, and we're here in our Chicago showroom with a 2026 Indian Chieftain Dark Horse with a PowerPlus 112. We fitted it with a brand new exhaust system from American Racing Operations, or ARO, which is the newly announced Indian factory brand of performance parts and accessories. We'll get into the backstory about ARO soon, but first, here's a quick taste of how the exhaust sounds. Stick around till the end to see how you can get it. So some background on ARO. The brand was introduced by Indian back in May as their new in-house performance division. Their debut product is the ARO GP Slip-On Exhaust for most touring and bagger models after 2018, like this brand new Chieftain here. It was designed by Terry Vance, founder of Vance Hines, one of the industry's most respected aftermarket brands. He took inspiration from international road racing, and it shows with the exhaust screens and matte black design of the system. According to Indian, they want their long 125-year racing heritage to shine through on all their new products that launch under the ARO brand. Now here are some samples comparing the ARO exhaust to the stock exhaust on this 2026 Chieftain PowerPlus. You can hear the deep, low-frequency rumble of this exhaust at idle. It transitions to a wider, higher output tone as the RPMs climb, giving the riders a commanding presence with great feedback throughout the rev range. The exhaust note is muscular with impressive volume, a distinctive and commanding sound, especially when compared to stock. For a lot of riders, upgrading the exhaust is one of the first and most important modifications they do to their bike. Some riders describe it as changing the character of the motorcycle. It really opens up the riding experience and provides a much more satisfying feeling when twisting the throttle and pushing it through the gears. It makes sense why exhaust upgrades are one of the most common services we perform at our service department. We are proud and excited to offer this exhaust system at iMotorsports as an upgrade to your existing Indian or installed on one of the many brand new Indians we have in stock. It can even be installed before the bike is brought to you with free delivery to the lower 48 states. Importantly, this exhaust does not void the Indian factory warranty nor the iMotorsports exclusive 1 Million Mile Powertrain Warranty on Indian motorcycles. Be sure to subscribe to us on YouTube for more power sports content. Visit iMotorsportsinc.com to shop our huge inventory. We'll see you on the road.